Thank you. I haven't read your message.
Wow! Good morning, guys. As you can tell, today is Lisa's 20th birthday, and so it's gonna be a really fun day. Sorry it's really early, because we're about to go to, you guessed it, Soul Cycle. So I like don't have a voice right now, but
I'm like really confused. I'm getting so many followers right now.
Really? And today I'm also moving in to my apartment off campus. I've been waiting for a couple of days because I couldn't move in until September 1st today. So I've been literally crashing at Luisa's and just like all over the place. But yeah, that's gonna be so fun, and I can't believe I'm already moving in for my senior year. It's like so crazy, but I'm literally gonna like drop all my stuff and just like not even unpack or move in really because it's Lisa's birthday. So I don't wanna like spend all day setting up furniture and stuff, but yeah. Yeah, Luisa! I miss you! How was your birthday soul class, Luisa? It was so fun. Sweaty? I can't wait to see your picture.
Because you can put the stuff you can get at Target in your room. Cool. Oh my god. Or we taste it, which I don't get. You know? Yeah.
Look at what Hattie got for moving.
Yacht squeeze. Show them what it looks like.
It legit looks like there's a cat stuck in the wall right now.
Selfie like.
In the mirror. Oh my god, hey.
Like, wait, what's I had it low.
That is so funny. We have started the move-in process. My hair looks so funky right now because I didn't wash it after Soul Cycle because I knew I'd be sweating, zipping around our new apartment, trying to unpack. But here it is. Wow! And like during move-in, it's always really hard to vlog and document it all because you're literally just trying to like move all your stuff as quick as you can. But I know you guys love when I show like a move-in vlog, and this is the first year I'm living off campus without my friends. But I still have some friends here. I have Lucy and Kerrigan, obviously, who I'm living with, and I think Kerrigan's on her way right now. So is Lucy, and it is honestly so hectic. All the elevator time slots for the building we're in are like full. I didn't know it was gonna be like booked by times, but it is. So you can't even use the elevator till like 9 p.m. tonight. And luckily we're not that high up that we've just been running up and down the stairs. I wish I could show you our view. There's not really much of a view, but then I don't really want to tell you what building I'm in, you know, because it's like not as safe as on campus. But yeah, we're pretty close to campus. This is like the beginning of what it's looking like, and yeah, let's get it. The trek to the car. Okay, we're currently in my new room, and I want to show you how I've been moving my mattress. And if you get one of those, you can move it like that too. Okay, I'm gonna open it up so it can expand. And oh yeah, I meant to tell you, so I don't know if you guys remember, but basically I had a, can I breathe for a second? I had a full-size Lisa, and it was amazing and so comfy, and all my friends were so obsessed with it and would literally come have sleepovers with me all the time just so that they had an excuse to sleep in my bed because it was so comfy. But then I feel like I realized that for my senior year, it would be fun, since I'm in like a bigger room and like an apartment off campus, to get a queen bed. So thank you so much, Lisa, for hooking me up with a new queen mattress. And this time I actually got the Sapira one. They have like two different ones, like the original one, and the Sapira one I think just has a little bit more like support and springs and stuff, and it's heavier, so that's why it's been so heavy. But my full-size one Lucy's actually using this year, and that's at my friend and my big and my love of my life, Nat's apartment right now. All my stuff is filled up in her family room, so I'm so grateful for her. I don't know what I would do without all my stuff being able to chill there. But yeah, let's open this puppy up. I'll have Lisa linked down below so you guys can check it out. They're like not paying me to say this at all, but you guys know how much I love my one from before, and I told them that I really wanted a queen one for my senior year, so they hooked me up. And yeah, Oh my god, I got so scared someone was in here. The blinds were like moving. My little bathroom in here is like funky. It's like really little, but we'll make it work. Oh, and I have a walk-in closet. Okay, so basically, my scissors are packed up somewhere. I don't even have them right now. So, I just opened it a little bit with like my keys, but I could only like get it open so much. So, I think since there's air getting in there, it'll still like expand, right? I just can't really get the plastic wrap off yet. So, yeah. Here's my new mattress in my new room. It's taking up like the whole thing so far, but it's gonna be great. Okay guys, we have made little progress. However, Louisa just got the best email ever that she got a package. And it's a notable arrangement. And we love you, KP. Woo! I'm so excited. Earlier when she goes, expect a package today, I'm like, it's an edible arrangement.
No, you were like, it's the things that they send you on your birthday, and I was like, it's probably an edible arrangement.
Yeah, I was like, I do.
I love edible arrangements.
And Lucy's like pulling up right now. Our roommate Kerrigan just got here. And I'm taking a hiatus of moving in so that we can go to Newberry. You feel? Mommy! Hi! Happy moving! Love you! Ooh, yeah! Dig in for the birthday girl. Hi, Lucy.
Hey. Can you even see me?
Okay, so we have another carload of things. And Natalie, shout out, I love you.
Feel it.
Hi, y'all. It is the next day. And I'm feeling super tired and unmotivated to do stuff, but our apartment is a wreck and there's stuff everywhere because we still need to like get our stuff and move in. When I put on self-tanner yesterday, if you could tell, I feel like I'm looking tired. I have such a headache. I need water and Pedialyte. Because we had a night last night. But we are going to IKEA right now, so let's roll. We made it to IKEA and Kerrigan's in awe. And we need food. This place literally is like a Google campus, I was saying. It has actually everything. It's so funny. Okay, we've been here for a while and this is all I have so far. My little dresser I'm gonna build in this tiny little sheepskin rug I found. And the nightstand I wanted is out of stock. And it's the one I actually have at my parents' house at home. But I should have just brought that to school. We're just quickly becoming very overwhelmed and just want to like order stuff online to our apartment. So that might be what we're doing for like a lot of stuff, like stuff for the kitchen and family room, and yeah. Kerrigan and I are just overwhelmed. Look at her. What? Hi. This place is legit a warehouse. You can't find anything. I'm overwhelmed. I was just telling them.
Section where things are good and not.
Oh, and we can see stuff.
Yes.
Okay, yay. That's so great to hear. This is good stuff. We're measuring the stools we're getting for our kitchen. Oh yeah, plumber Kerg, at it again.
Got it again.
Oh, you're measuring how tall it is? Oh, because they have to fit under the you don't have another hand.
Yeah,
wait, I think what's most important is measuring it side to side to make sure 3 fit, right?
I am so done. You are so right. Okay.
Like 3 fit like along the whole thingy. Okay, yeah, perf. That's what we need. Oh, perfect. Okay, it's like 14. No, wait, we can just see with one of them. I think it was 14 inches.
I feel like
I'm like very certain that it was 14 inches. I said get off. Okay, guys. Kerrigan, I don't know, Kerrigan just realized that I lost my phone, but she did, because I definitely just put it down on one of these shelves somewhere. But IKEA is literally huge, so, you know, wish us luck. I'm really not worried.
What did we buy? What did we get? Okay,
The stools. It was the stools, right?
Yeah. No.
Oh my god, Gretchen. Your legs. Wait, tell them about your pelt.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I need it.
We said we were going crazy. I can't. Where is my phone? Why am I like this?
This is so wrong.
We were not in the style. Should we go by the bar stools? I don't even remember putting it down somewhere.
All your stuff is in the back of your phone. Like
Oh, my cars. Yeah, no, I won't be able to buy any of that. I will literally be able to buy nothing if I don't find it. So.
I feel like I lost my phone.
Okay, everyone. Moment of truth.
There it is. Gretchen.
Where? I'm laughing so hard. I was like, it was definitely by the mirror. You knew I put it on a carpet.
I don't know why.
I didn't even remember.
That's not a safe place for a phone. And then, I don't know, we walked past them and it looked like it. So
Oh my gosh, I have like the worst.
Do you have your phone?
ADD. I'm all over the place.
Here you go.
I literally wasn't worried because I knew I'd find it. I lost it at Coachella and phones couldn't even work.
See, I've gone through
And
so
I
many
still found
iPhones.
it. Me too.
Not to
Me and
sound like
Kerrigan
the
are
worst.
low-key the same. We're just like all over the place.
No, yeah, this is that
Kerrigan and I found a table and we really want it because it's on sale.
What about black?
I really like it. Oh, maybe we should.
Honestly, I resonate with this table. I too am damaged.
You and me would so get this one. Wait, this one's cute. Okay, we're getting everything over here in this damaged sale section. I love Kerrigan. Guys, we realized, why is this one cheaper? It's $159 and this one's $175. And this one is like the not damaged one. She's measuring over the umbrella. Wait, there's gotta be something wrong with it. It's gotta be like missing a leg or something. I don't know. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna collapse. Oh my gosh, we're literally being like delirious right now. We've been here for so long. I wanna go home. Kerrigan's got it, it's fine. There's like probably 2 square feet of room right there. I don't even know how that's happening. This is the biggest mirror. Like, it's not even like normal sized. Why'd you need to do that to us? Because wait till you see my fire Instagrams in it. Did you post what? Like, I'm gonna take
Oh, later. I was like, today in that
outfit. No, it's gonna be so good.
I was like, oh, okay,
guys,
must have
so
been
right
fire.
now we are going to
Trader Joe's. Yeah, hit it.
because we have no food.
Guys, we need to divide and conquer. Like, I'm not kidding. We should like ball out.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh. I feel like
why are we talking in the
I'm like, okay guys. Okay guys, it's 10 p.m. We're cooking pasta for dinner at 10 p.m. There's my mirror, don't worry, it's not staying there. And we're building furniture, yeah. How many blondes does it take to figure out how to build IKEA furniture? Thank God we have Lucy. Woo! I did it! 1 hour later. Yeah, buddy. Shrek, is that you? No, it's the Hulk.
The literal Hulk.
That's the Hulk, actually. These chairs will be the death of me. And we haven't even started my bed.
Okay, well.
Okay, it is now 1:40 a.m. Lucy and I just helped me Lucy just helped me finish my bed. And thank goodness. Guys. Oh, thank goodness. This is from Wayfair, by the way. If I can find the link to it, I'll link down below in case you like it. It's literally the exact bed I have at home, but this is tan and my one at home is dark gray. And then my Lisa mattress, which I already told you guys about my Lisa mattress. So comfy. I'm so excited. Yay, guys. It's obviously not exactly how I want it to be. Better than nothing, though. It's like after 2. I'm so out of it. Good night. I didn't expect for this vlog to be such like a long vlog over a couple of days, but that's literally just how it is. And all these boxes are just, that's what we have going so far. So, stick with me. Hello, it's me. Okay, so I basically realized that I never finished off my like move-in vlog because I started to get very overwhelmed and like just stressed, and I just didn't realize, I think I said it a million times in the vlog, how hard it was to move into a new apartment, and just like furniture and stuff is so hard. And so basically it's been a couple days. I built this whole dresser by myself. It took me 6 hours from IKEA. And then this bookshelf I wanted to show you from IKEA. And then my little Alex drawers over here. I actually had this really nice lady come yesterday and she built them in 2.5 hours. And I'm like, wow, I must just really suck because this took me a full 6. But yeah, so my room is finally coming together, and I just wanted to show you a little overview. It's still a work in progress, definitely not done or where I want it to be, but I wanted to be able to show you some progress in this video, if that made sense, because I didn't want to just show you like an empty room with all my bags and be like, I moved in, bye, you know. So this is what we have so far. My dad is so cute. He came to bring a bunch of Lucy's stuff, and I'm so sad I didn't even get to see him because I was at IKEA buying all this furniture. But he framed this photo of me from Africa with one of the baby goats, so I love that so much. And yeah, this is what we got going on. IKEA, little bedside table IKEA, lamp I got from Target. Oh, my bed Lucy and I actually put together from Wayfair. I'm so obsessed with it. It pretty much takes up my entire room, but I love it so much. I've always had a full bed, but then I decided I wanted to get a queen, so yes. And then my little Alex drawers over here are literally empty. I haven't put anything in them yet, but I have like so much crap going on. All of that stuff is gonna go in there. I just gotta do it. So yeah, that's what we have going on so far. My closet, I unpacked a little. Obviously have to organize it. It is full to the brim. Look at all my shoes. Does that give you anxiety? Me too. Oh, and this mirror I got from IKEA. I'm so obsessed with it. It's so huge, and that's what I love about it the most. So yeah. And then my little bathroom. I swear from IKEA I got this like over toilet storage thing, and I can't find it because I got so much stuff. It might have been purchased and then not actually loaded into my car, which is so sad. I think that's actually what happened, because yeah, but this is what we have going on so far. I'll definitely give you guys, oh, and I hung up my little YouTube plaque. Obviously you guys are my life, but yeah, that's what we have going on so far. I'll definitely give you a full-on room tour once I have all my things in their place. But yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching my move-in vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.